Global food security stands as one of the critical challenges of our era. With an ever-growing population, the demand for food continues to soar, putting immense pressure on agricultural systems and supply chains. Factors such as climate change, geopolitical conflicts, and economic disparities further complicate the situation. For instance, droughts in regions like sub-Saharan Africa have significantly reduced crop yields, while political turmoil in places like Syria has disrupted food production and access. The global nature of these challenges demands a coordinated and multifaceted approach to ensure that all people have access to safe and nutritious food. Food safety and public health are intrinsically linked. Unsafe food is a conduit for many diseases and health conditions, including foodborne illnesses such as Salmonella and E. These pathogens can lead to severe health outcomes, especially in vulnerable populations like children and the elderly. For example, an outbreak of E. coli linked to contaminated lettuce in the United States resulted in numerous hospitalizations and even deaths, highlighting the critical importance of stringent food safety measures. Ensuring food safety involves strict hygiene practices, proper food handling, and adherence to regulations that prevent contamination at various stages of the food supply chain. Food handlers play a pivotal role in ensuring food security. From farmers to retailers, every link in the food supply chain impacts the overall safety and quality of food. For instance, farmers must use safe and sustainable farming practices to avoid contaminating crops with harmful chemicals or pathogens. On the other end, restaurant chefs must adhere to strict hygiene protocols to prevent cross-contamination and ensure that the food served is safe for consumption. Training and education for food handlers are crucial in this regard. A well-informed farmer, processor, or chef can make knowledgeable decisions that promote food safety and security. Programs that certify food handlers in safe practices help mitigate the risks of foodborne illnesses and ensure a more secure food system. Food security is not solely about the availability of food, but also includes accessibility and utilization. Even in countries with abundant food supplies, disparities in income and education can limit access to nutritious food. For example, food deserts in urban areas of the United States leave many without easy access to fresh produce, increasing reliance on processed foods with poor nutritional value. Addressing food security, therefore, requires policies that support equitable distribution of food and investment in infrastructure that ensures all individuals can access and benefit from safe, nutritious food. These measures help build resilient communities, capable of withstanding global challenges and ensuring food security for future generations. In conclusion, the journey towards global food safety and security is complex but necessary. It requires collaborative efforts from governments, organizations, and individuals across the globe. By understanding the interconnectedness of food safety and public health, the role of food handlers, and the broader challenges of food security, society can implement effective strategies to combat food insecurity. Ensuring that everyone has access to safe and nutritious food is essential not only for public health, but for the overall well-being and development of our global community.